In this lecture, we will try to understand priority of a thread. In Java, each thread is assigned a priority, which affects the order in which it is scheduled for running. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this? Each thread you can assign. Each thread can be assigned. Each thread can be assigned with some priority, isn't it? Depending on priority, this priority affects the order of execution. Order of execution. What does it mean? If particular thread has got higher priority, that thread will get executed first. Java permits us to set the priority of thread. I can set the priority of thread using a method known as set priority. What is this set priority method? I will repeat. Let me repeat. Java permits us to set the priority of a thread using set priority method. Set priority method. We will try to understand this set priority method. What is its syntax? Its syntax is thread name dot set priority. Thread name dot set priority. In argument, I can take integer number. If you speak strictly, it's a natural number. The int number, what is this int number? The int number is an integer value to which the thread priority is set. This is basically thread priority. It is thread priority. We will try to understand with the help of simple program. The thread class. I have a class whose name is thread. The thread class, let me say like this, the thread class defines several priority constants. Let me rewrite it. The thread class defines several priority constants. Several priority constants. What are those priority constants? We will try to understand. First one is min underscore priority. Min underscore priority, which is equal to 1. Second one is norm underscore priority, which is equal to norm underscore priority equal to 5. Third one is max underscore priority. Max underscore priority is equal to 10. The int number may assume. What is that int number? Just recall what is syntax. Thread name dot set priority. Thread name dot set priority. Within an argument you have int number. This int number can take, the int number may assume one of these constants or any value between 1 and 10. This priority can be in between 1 and 10. Note that the default setting. What is default setting? This is default. What is note that the default setting is, this one is default. Your default setting is norm underscore priority. Whenever multiple threads are ready for execution, the Java system chooses highest priority. Java system chooses highest priority thread, highest priority thread, and highest priority thread for execution, for execution. Let me repeat, whenever multiple threads are ready for execution, the Java system chooses highest priority thread for what? For execution. That's what it says. The job of the thread scheduler is to keep the highest priority thread running all the time. And for the threads of same priority, let me assume if there are two threads of same priority, and for the threads of same priority, time slices are allocated in round robin fashion. In round robin fashion. Isn't it? Let me repeat. Let me say, what is this? The job of the thread scheduler is to keep the highest priority thread running all the time, and for the threads of same priority, the slices are allocated in round robin fashion. A thread priority can be adjusted. I can adjust a thread priority by a method known as set priority. There is a method known as set priority. With this method, I can set the priority of thread. A thread priority can be adjusted with set priority method, and we can retrieve the priority. I can retrieve the priority by using a method known as get priority. Get priority is a method which is useful for retrieving the priority. We will try to understand these things with the help of simple Java program. Let me say, this is my class name, Nag2_22, extends thread. Thread is my predefined class. Public void run. This is what is my step number 1 in creation of thread? Declare a class that extends thread class and implement run method. This is implementing run method. Now what I have to do? What is my step number 1? This is declare a class that extends thread class, implement run method, and create thread object. This is create thread object. I am creating through two thread objects. N1 is first object, N2 is second object. How can I create object? Class name space object name equal to new class name. For N1 thread, there is a method known as set name. In set name, only N is capital letter. For N1 thread, I am keeping its name as less. N2.setName. For second thread, I am assigning a name more. What does it mean? My first thread name is less, that is N1 thread. My second thread name is more, that is N2 thread. N1.setPriority. For my first thread, I am assigning priority 1. Isn't it? What is min_priority? That is 1. And N2.setPriority, I am assigning what is my second thread. Second thread is N2.setPriority, which is useful for setting the priority or assigning the priority. What is max_priority? It's 10. It's a predefined constant which is defined in thread class. Now, after creating thread, what I have to do? Just let me show the output once. What happens here? N1.start. N1.start means where will it go? It will go to its start. N1.start means it will go to run method. But what is the priority of N1? Priority of N1 is N1 priority is min_priority. Means its priority is 1. It has got minimum priority. N2.start. What is N2 set priority? Max_priority is 10. N1.start, N2.start means they will go to run method. Of course, by the time they reach run method, this particular statement will get executed. System.out.println priority of N1. This is message. Just see. Priority of N1. N1 dot get priority. What is N1? N1 dot start means it will go to run method, isn't it? n1 dot start means where will it go? It will go to run method I equal to 0, 0 less than 5. Of course, let me repeat, n1 dot get priority, priority of n1, sorry, let me repeat like this. n1 dot start means it will go to run method. n2 dot start, it will also go to run method, but before executing run method only, system dot out dot println priority of n1. This you will get priority of n1. n1 dot get priority. What is the priority of my first thread? n1 priority is 1. Just see, n1 dot set priority 1, n2 dot set priority. This is max and score priority is 10, min and score priority is 1. n1 dot get priority. What is the priority of n1? That is 1. Therefore, it is printing 1. Therefore, in output screen, priority of n1 is 1. After executing this particular statement, what happens? It will not execute this one. What is the reason? Where will it go? As n1 dot start, it will go to its corresponding run method I equal 0, 0 less than 5, correct. This dot get name, this means current object. Now which one is current object? n1 is current object. What is current object? n1. Get name means its name. What is n1 name? We assigned less. Therefore, I equal 0, you will get less 0 here. Just see, less 0. But whose priority is higher? n2's priority is bigger than n1. n1 priority is just min and score priority 1. n2 priority is 10. As n2 has got higher priority, again n2 thread will go to its corresponding run method. Now what's happening here? Now I equal to 0 for n2 thread. I equal 0, 0 less than 5. This dot get name. This means n2's name, that is more 0, more 1, more 2, more 3, more 4. I equal 0, I equal to 1, I equal 2, I equal 3, I equal 4. 4 less than 5. What is 4 less than? This dot get name. Current object is n2, whose name is more 0, more 1, more 2, more 3. You will get more 4, isn't it? Now what's happening? As this thread is executed, n2, again n will go back. Already this ls0 is completed. As n2 has got higher priority, as its priority is 10, but n1 priority is only 1. Now where will it go? It will go I equal 0, already completed, less 0. Now I plus 1. This dot get name. What is my n1's name? Less 1, less 2, less 3, less 4. I equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 less than 5. Till it will execute less 1, less 2, less 3, less 4. After executing these two threads, now my last statement is system dot out dot println priority of n2. Priority of n2. n2 dot get priority. What is the priority of n2 dot set priority is 10. Therefore, n2 dot get priority is 10. Therefore, priority of n2 equal 10. This program is simple and straightforward. Higher, if you have multiple threads, which thread will get executed? A thread with highest priority. A thread with the highest priority. Here n2 is a thread whose priority is 10. n1 is a thread whose priority is 1. As n2 has got more priority, that's why this more is executing first, then it less will get executed. It is simple and straightforward program. Just go through it. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.